Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing devices. This saves time and prevents pairing errors. Update the switch system, fully charge the Xbox pad, and power it off. Next, plug the wireless adapter into the switch dock's USB port. Use the dock, not the console handheld mode. Once the adapter is inserted, set it to Xbox controller mode if there's a mode switch. This tells the adapter to speak the controller's language. Make sure you have clear line of sight and no other Bluetooth devices actively pairing. Once done, press the adapter's sync button and wait for a flashing LED. That indicates pairing mode. Then, press and hold the Xbox controller's pair button until its Xbox button flashes rapidly. This creates the connection. Make sure to keep the controller near the adapter. Distance under 2 meters is ideal. When the adapter LED becomes steady and the controller LED stops flashing, pairing is complete. If the adapter has multiple modes, confirm it remained in Xbox mode through this process. Finish by testing the controller in the Switch home menu and a game. Check face buttons, sticks, triggers, and gyro if supported. If something feels off, power cycle the adapter and repeat the pairing. Sometimes a fresh sync clears miscommunications. Make sure no other controllers are connecting during pairing, and try the other dock USB port if you see intermittent drops. One key troubleshooting tip: update the adapter firmware. Many pairing bugs are fixed by firmware, so apply the manufacturer's update if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.